Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Take Profit Trader to TradingView. The first thing I want you to do once you're logged into your TradingView dashboard, hover over products and then click here on Supercharts. Now what I want you to do is right here click on either buy or sell. So I click here on buy and this pop-up comes up and we can connect with our broker. So scroll down here, click on show all brokers, and then what I want you to do is once you are on Take Profit Trader, click here on get started now and you're able to choose what kind of account you want to begin with. So I want you to choose the CQG DataFit account. As you can see, these are the platforms available: NinjaTrader, TradingView, and Tradeovate. Now, if we come back here to TradingView, you'll notice there's no Take Profit Trader. What you can do is you can use either NinjaTrader or Tradeovate. So I'll use Tradeovate, and then you choose Live, and then you click here on Connect. Now, what you'll need to do is log in with your Take Profit Trader credentials, username and password right here. And once you're logged in, here you'll be connected to TradingView. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.